In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up Printify shipping with Shopify by connecting your Shopify store to your Printify account. To get started, log into your Printify dashboard. Open the store drop-down menu, then choose Add a New Store. This is where you connect a sales channel so Printify can send your products and order details to the right storefront. Next, select Shopify from the available platform options and click Continue. Quick side note, for more straightforward Shopify and Printify tutorials, subscribe to Ecom Control. You'll now be taken through the connection process. Click Connect, and when you're redirected to your Shopify admin panel, select Install App. Installing the app authorizes Printify to work with your Shopify store, so you can sync products and manage fulfillment through Printify. And that's it. Your Shopify store is now connected to Printify, ready for you to set up and manage your print-on-demand shipping workflow.